मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप तफरीह करना छोड़ दें।
I need you to stop hanging around. I need you to stop hanging around.
इसने उसे फौरन देखा।
She spotted him right away. She spotted him right away.
मैं सरमाया कारी के पेशे में ज्यादा से ज्यादा तजुर्बा हासिल करना चाहता हूँ।
I want to get the most experience in a finance career path. I want to get the most experience in a finance career path.
इसने बेजारी का इजहार किया।
He wore an expression of disgust. He wore an expression of disgust.
आपको ये करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
You don't have to be doing this. You don't have to be doing this.
वो हमेशा इसके लिए कुछ करते हैं।
They always do something for him. They always do something for him.
वो जहां भी गया उसे हसद के आसार नजर आए।
He got looks of envy everywhere he went. He got looks of envy everywhere he went.
मैं नहीं चाहता कि आप इस काम में वक्त ज़ाया करें।
I don't want you to waste time on this task. I don't want you to waste time on this task.
वो काफी अरसे से गायब थे।
They were gone for a long time. They were gone for a long time.
वो दोनों एक ही वक्त में कलम के लिए पहुंच गए।
They both reached for a pen at the same time. They both reached for a pen at the same time.